On it.
We on that.
I told you.
On that.
I told y'all, man. I told y'all, you gotta be your channel.
Mm-hmm.
Free game. I tell y'all, man. You gotta be about that.
You ain't telling no lie. You ain't telling no lie, my boy. Be yourself. Show love, you get love. That's the oldest rules in the book, bro. If you don't know that, something wrong with you.
you said the word right there. You said that's the we OGs.
Oh, for sure.
You know
that.
they're gonna look up to us one day. You
One day,
like I
one
said,
day, one day.
it always what they say. It always come back in a circle. They don't realize, man. Damn, old school. Tell me, yeah. It's 50-50 in life. It's 50-50 in life.
50-50.
You hit somebody, they're gonna hit your ass back. So you show love, it gonna come our way back.
Only way, bro.
And say, people don't understand that shit. They be like, man, how a person remember a person for so long? Cause you leave a stain on a person, they always gonna remember you. Gang.
That impression. You know what's
Man, already. Hey, boo, she kicking shout out to everybody already.
Okay.
Miss Palmer. Hey.
Hey, Miss Palmer.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah, man. Like I try to tell people, man, it's not about that's why I try to tell people. Just like what you shooting on your shit, you like say, man. It's a lot of people up to big dog on show no love. But them little dog be the man one pushing your shit.
That's why I show love to everybody, bro. Anybody that support me, I show love right back, bro. Cause we already know they don't got to do it. So if they showing love, I salute you. Straight up and down.
That's why I try to tell them, man, say,
And
you want
plus,
to pop out.
it's free. Showing love is free. You don't got to pay for that.
Thank you. That's why I'm trying to tell them, like, you ain't like I'm finna get paid for this. No, I'm telling y'all, tap in. We're gonna rock in. We're gonna be locked in. That's free game. Free. They not saying, once you push a stride, you deducted $10. They not saying that. This shit is free.
Free
It ain't gonna deduct your cash out. You ain't gonna have $10 off your cash out.
You know what's going on, bro.
Damn.
Let me tell you.
Come on, man. Everything in this world ain't all about money.
It's not. That's a fact. And people think that
that's what I'm trying to
all about money.
That's why everybody when everybody come to my shit, they like, bro, you ain't trying to get money away. No, bro, I started this shit because hey, this is what my family can go back and say, hey, that's him. He that damn fool. He popping this shit. Damn, it's just a part of me. They're not understanding that shit, but say,
listen, man, like you said earlier, man, it's all about your personality, man. You just giving them an
personality
inside look
sales, man.
how you give it up. When you turn this camera off, the same vibes.
Thank you.
Same vibes, bro. I'm just giving you an insight of my world. You know what I'm saying?
Okay.
Appreciate you for tapping in. Appreciate you for pulling up. But look, this is how we give it up.
This natural.
Rock out, pop out.
Get in. Simple.
That's all it's really about, bro. That's why I fuck with you, bro. If I ain't gonna lie, that's why I mess with you.
That's why I tell people, man, say, this is like an acting show, man. You your own director, man. You got the flow every time you cut that camera on. Bang.
You controlling the script. You writing the script. It's your script.
Done deal. Yeah.
So
yeah, you said it. You talk to him? Oh, Jesus. So what he saying? Damn, he ain't know.
Hey, Miss Paul.
Boy, I told you he just getting up. But yeah, man, I'm telling y'all, man, we ain't playing no games, y'all. We gonna stay lit.
That. I'm gonna start joining. I'm gonna start pulling up, joining on the live more often, man.
Bro, that's where it'll be at. That's where it'll be on any one of my live, on any one of my channels. Bam, it'll be right there. For real.
That's a fact. Say no more.
Already, be safe, my bro. You already know, man.
You know that. You know that. It took me a little time to work this shit, but I figured it out.
I got you. I got you from Triple D.
Say no more.
Ain't no plan.